In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google's NotebookLM with a YouTube video source to generate an audio overview, then share it with other people. To get started, open NotebookLM and either create a new notebook or open an existing one. Your notebook is where NotebookLM keeps the sources and generated content for this project. Next, make sure the YouTube video you want to use has already been added as a source. If it isn't there yet, add the video's link first. NotebookLM will use the content from that video to create the audio discussion. Quick side note, for more straightforward NotebookLM tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Ecom Control. Now look over to the Studio panel on the right-hand side, find Audio Overview and click it. This opens a small setup window where you can control the type of audio NotebookLM will generate. Here, choose the format, language, length, and the sources you want included. If your notebook has more than one source but you only want the audio overview to focus on the YouTube video, open the sources dropdown and deselect the other sources. Once the correct source is selected, click Confirm. If there's a specific topic or angle you want the discussion to cover, enter it in the field labeled "What should the AI hosts focus on in this episode?" This helps guide the generated audio toward the details that matter most to you. When you're ready, click Generate. You'll now see Generating Audio Overview in the bottom right panel. Give NotebookLM a moment to create the audio. Once it's finished, find your generated audio and click the More button on its right side. Then select Share. From here, configure who can access it. You can add specific people under People with Access, or change the notebook access so that anyone with the link can open it. Finally, copy the sharing link and send it to the people you want to share the audio overview with. And that's it. You've generated and shared a NotebookLM audio overview based on a YouTube video source.